I was sent this HUI face cleanser for review. This is the Age Recovery Soft Amino Cleanser, and it is really nice, though I do have some pros and cons to it. First off, I don't actually like the bottle. It's beautiful, but when I'm washing my face, it's kind of a pain to have to open it up and get some of this out. I wish it came in an easier applicator. But then you really don't need much. Even this little bit will clean my entire face as it foams up quite a lot. So I'll just add some water and show you what I mean. When you first rub it in, it doesn't look like it's doing much, but if I keep rubbing, it actually just keeps getting a little bit more of a thicker foamy consistency. And then we add a little more water to that, and it will even bubble up a little more. That's just a little bit I had on my finger. Really does go a long ways. And it has this really lovely smell that I cannot place. I want to say it's like almost like a lychee fruit. It has a slight fruitiness to it. It has some citrus tang. It's a really lovely smell. Now this is an amino cleanser, so it's just a little more exfoliating, and I find it to be just slightly drying. My skin's pretty sensitive. I usually use extremely sensitive cleansers, so this one's a little more intense for me, and that might just be it, and I might just be adapting to it. But so far when I use this, unless I'm using a super hydrating moisturizer, I can tell that my skin feels a little drier after using it. But I've also noticed that my skin feels noticeably smoother after using it. So definite pros and cons here. It is just a little more astringent than I'm used to, and I wish it came in a better bottle, but I love how much smoother my skin is because of it, and that wonderful smell and the luxurious feel of it. So it's a really nice cleanser if your skin is up for the task.